Hey guys, what's up? This is Silo and welcome to my kitchen. I love deep fried foods and I wanted to share an easy Japanese tonkatsu recipe. Ton means pork and katsu means cutlet. So basically, it's just a super crispy deep fried pork chop. And who doesn't like that?
You can use chicken breast, but I'm using pork loin chops for this one. Slice thicker pieces of pork or chicken in half. If you plan ahead, salt and rest between 2 to 24 hours in the fridge. Season your flour with salt and pepper to taste. Set up your dredging station just like so, with an egg, your all-purpose flour mix, Panko breadcrumbs, your meat, and a pan. There's a natural workflow to this with your wet and dry hands, but I'll let the video do the talking. No katsu sauce? No problem. Use a barbecue, a teriyaki, or even a teriyaki barbecue sauce. Or how about topping with a Japanese-style curry?